Hey, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to go through one of the software tools or add-ons that I have found that I've been super impressed with here going forward. So this is a month-long problem that I've had as we've been in this migration from close.io over into Hubspot. And it's one of the Achilles heels that I have found inside of Hubspot is that it doesn't really support native SMS or texting out of it. So I was looking for a bunch of solutions, actually was like this close to finding this one solution and pulling the trigger on it. And then I found this other one and I'm like, this is stupid. Like, why would I go this? Why would I have gone this other direction? So I'm going to tell you all about that here today. So if you are unfamiliar with me or my channel, I am Tom Batman Ziegelbauer, and I help businesses and entrepreneurs grow and scale through the use of technology. So we're going to talk about just that. So this is kind of a review of these two products. So, and the two products are Sakari.io and Salesmsg, and I think it's probably .com. It doesn't matter what their URL is. I will tell you up front and right in the beginning, I would not go that route. So looked at them, was about to pull the trigger with that, did some testing on it, and then when I started to get into it, I can't add additional users. And then I asked them the question. I said, oh, hey, do I need to have one-for-one a user for, or an account, and then then in order to pair it to a user in HubSpot? My answer back was yes. Well, the minimum cost on that is $35 a month per user, going up to really where our users are at is more like 10 times that amount. So I said, so you can't like share all of these texts, the number of texts together? Nope. Okay, well, you're done. So that was my biggest pet peeve is seeing them. So unfortunately, just completely throw them out of mix, because when you have an organization like we do, you have people who are going to use it more and some people are going to use it less. The other thing I really like about Sakari is that not only are they cheaper, more affordable, they are also have rollover. So if you don't use all of your text segments back and forth, they roll over for a period of 90 days and you can make that up. It's 200 plus countries that are supported for it. And if you want to add additional lines or dedicated numbers to it, it's $4 a month versus $10 a month over on the sales message side of things. I really like that it does contact auto creation. So if somebody reaches out to your text number, so for instance, if you're at a conference, like we have one coming up on June 19th here for InvestorCon, and if you are unfamiliar with that, definitely like search around and go to our website. You'll see it like right on the homepage. Sign up for that because there's like very few tickets left. Let's say we're at InvestorCon and we say, hey, text this to this particular number. We can create a workflow inside of HubSpot, and we probably maybe have that contact, or maybe we do have that contact, or we don't have that contact, or we can put that out on a billboard or whatever. Now we have a new lead, and it auto created it for us through the system, which I think is pretty cool. You don't have that in the sales message side of things. And then deal-based workflow messaging, and they are so HubSpot centric. They basically eat the food that they are producing. So they are so into this. So what I would say is, at the end of the day, if you're evaluating the two, this is definitely the way to go if you are in HubSpot, and that is the way that you are going, and you're looking for a very rich tool to be able to do marketing via and lead generation via a text message. And let me just give you some really quick statistics why this is so important as well. Texts are opened 5 times more than email. 90% of leads prefer a text to a call, and the average response time is 90 seconds. Can you afford not to have some type of SMS or text messaging as part of your lead generation or marketing campaigns? No. So hopefully this helps. If it did, definitely write some comments down below, or if you have some questions about the process of this, these guys are super knowledgeable and have been super helpful. So also remember to hit those 3 buttons down at the bottom, like, subscribe, and alert, to be alerted to additional content from my channel. And always remember, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. And we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.